Reset. If a continuous tone is heard during operation, perform a reset. To activate the reset function, raise the search head and pull and hold the switch in the reset position for approximately 2 seconds. Once released, you will hear a series of clicks ending in a beep. Operations can now continue. It is important to note that a reset does not affect already established soil compensation parameters. Low battery indication. A double confidence click, heard about every 4 seconds, indicates that the batteries are low and will need to be changed or charged soon, approximately 4 hours. Note, there is no change or loss of performance during this period. Flat battery tone. A continuous tone indicates the batteries are flat and need to be replaced or charged. You are not able to continue operations at this point until the batteries are addressed. Fault tone. A pulsing intermittent tone indicates a fault was detected by the electronic control unit. The system is not operating properly and needs to be checked. If the detector head connector has not been correctly locked in place, a loose connection could cause this type of fault. Make sure the search head is connected properly.